Here we have a 0.8 cubic foot operational, or a 0.8 cubic foot safe. Nice little digital display and everything on the front. Comes with emergency keys. It comes with all the mounting hardware to bolt it down. Comes with legs if you wanted to mount it on, like, say, a table or something like that, or on a cabinet or in a cabinet. There's the inside of it. Really nice. Here's the battery pack. Comes with this nice little money bag or bag, whatever you'd like to use to store in it. Fits perfectly in there. Comes with this operation manual. Put all this in there. Save all this stuff right here. Save the key. Close it. Spin it around. Look at it. There you have 0.8 cubic foot digital safe.